Latest chika, Donnie Pangilinan inamin sa media. Nakakatuwa talaga ang kanilang relasyon ni Bel Mariano. Itong si Donnie kasi ay tinawagan at may bago ng project. Ang makakasama niya ay isang magandang dalaga. And saad niya sa amin, to be honest, when I got home after our meeting, I sat down with my partner, Belle, and I was like, I've been offered this project, and she was like, by who? I was like, it's the big one. Itong project na to ay talagang may makakasama ako. And I was literally scheduled to go the same day that we would start shooting. And Belle said, I leave you if you don't do that project. Tapos tumatawa siya. And then wala akong magagawa, siya ang boss. Kaya gagawin ko.